So, today we are going to discuss the exam task 2 question that came on 30th of March, that is today. And of course, I'll be telling you what sort of reading and listening was there. First, I will tell you about the question. It was a problem solution, and you can check what you have written. So many calls, ma'am, could we write this problem, that problem? So I have given you 5 problems. So you can check yourself whether you have written it right or wrong. So just be there, and if you have not given your IELTS, even then this video is going to be useful, right? So I'll tell you at the end what was the reading and the listening, but let's first go to the question. Now the question was, the major cities in the world are growing fast as well as their problems. What are the problems that young people living in cities are facing with? Give solutions to these problems. So first you should have understood that you are going to tell the problems, the issues, challenges, जो कुछ भी difficulties आ रही हैं regarding the growing cities, है ना? काफ़ी लोग चले जाते हैं cities के लिए, okay, from the villages. So what are these problems and uska solutions? And now I will give you 5 problems, 5 solutions, so that you can check, yeah, what you have written. Okay, first I'll just read out the introduction. The rapid growth, fast की जगह मैंने rapid लिखा, I'll try to explain also. The rapid growth of major cities around the world, I've written right major cities only, around the world brings with it a host of challenges, means lot of, particularly, see this linking, for young people, you can say the young generation also, extempo chalega, living in urban areas, okay, in the cities, you can say urban areas. These challenges encompass, okay, they include various aspects of daily life के लिए भी होता है, including क्या है, अब जो मैंने points है वो मैंने यहाँ पे डाले हैं, आप देखिए, you have to see what you have written or what you will write if you give your IELTS. So including housing, transportation, employment and environment sustainability, okay. So I will tell you this, I mean explain. The essay dwells into, okay, some of the key problems faced by the young people in cities and explore potential solutions, right? So see here in this essay, which I have written, I have tried to use different linkers and a different setup. It is a 8.5 to 9 because I have not used the traditional method to write the essay. I have tried to do it in a different manner, but then of course, if you are aiming for a lesser band or a 7 band, then you can do the things accordingly. Of course, the vocab is high, the structure is of advanced level, that is 8.5. So you can, kind of change and you can check. The primary issue is the skyrocketing cost of housing in cities, which often renders it unaffordable, बना देता है for young people, especially those starting their careers. Naturally, the young people are starting their careers. Many are forced to live in cramped spaces, ना, मतलब झुग्गियों में जिसको कहते हैं, और commute to long distance, है ना, तो आपको मतलब शहर से बाहर रहना पड़ता है, from more affordable areas. So you have to come from affordable areas. The solution lies in implementation of policies to promote affordable housing initiatives, अब such as, example नहीं मैंने बोला, मैंने लिखा है such as subsidized housing projects, rent control measures, ये examples हैं, and incentives for developers to develop the affordable housing units. तो जो डेवलपर्स हैं उनको आप इनिशिएटिव दीजिए, कुछ सब्सिडाइज कीजिए कि अगर आप if you are going to make an affordable housing, then you will be getting some initiative, even the builders. In addition, mixed income neighborhoods means it is not only that only the low strata is living at one place, it should be mixed. To foster diversity and inclusivity should be encouraged. The second problem that I have told, you can check or you could write if you have the exam. The second challenge faced is transport congestion. With increasing urban population, cities face congestion issues on roads and public transit systems, leading to longer commute times, long time लगता है, pollution and decreased quality of life. तो congestion से ये तीन चीज़ें हो जाती हैं. तो इसका सोल्यूशन मैंने दिया है. द अबव कैन बी टैकल थ्रू सस्टेनेबल ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. अब इसके एग्जांपल्स दिए हैं, सच एज एक्सपैंडेड पब्लिक ट्रांजिट नेटवर्क्स. उनकी नेटवर्किंग आप इंक्रीज करिए, एक्सपैंड करिए. बाइक लेन्स ऑफ कोर्स एंड पेडेस्ट्रियन फ्रेंडली पाथवेज मीन्स वो अलग से एक पाथ होना चाहिए जहाँ पे पेडेस्ट्रियंस जो लोग ऑन फुट, यू नो, दे वांट टू गो टू ऑफिसेस बाय फुट और ऑन फुट, यू कैन से they can go. Furthermore, promoting carpooling. See how I'm giving the examples. Furthermore, promoting carpooling, ride sharing services and telecommuting options can reduce traffic. Now the third one which I have problem I have highlighted here is, you can just check. Despite opportunities in urban areas, young people often struggle to find meaningful employment. उनको employment ही नहीं मिलता है, due to competition हो जाता है, skill gaps हो जाते हैं and limited entry level position. So entry level क्योंकि experience नहीं होता तो limited हो जाता है. This can easily be alleviated, means reduced, by collaborating with the local business and industries. है ना, आप local business से पूछिए आपको कौन सी skills चाहिए, and industries to create apprenticeship programs. है ना, they should have apprenticeship programs, internship opportunities and skill development initiatives tailored to the needs of the young job seekers. यहाँ पे मैंने young job seekers लिखा है, ठीक है. internship उनकी opportunities होनी चाहिए. For instance, education and vocational training programs जो होते हैं should be aligned, है ना, aligned होने चाहिए with the emerging industries. Okay, now another consequence of urbanization is that it contributes to environmental challenges आ जाते हैं, है ना, such as क्या आ जाता है, air pollution, waste management issues and loss of the green spaces which impacts the health and the well-being of the city dwellers. So you have not to write every this thing. I'm just, and if you want any coaching and if you want the PDF of this, I post it in my Telegram group. You can go and subscribe to my Telegram group. The link is there in the description and you'll get the PDF. So you get the PDF of all the real exam questions which I have written till now, plus I have the reading package, I have the package for the writing, and that you can see. It is all in the description. Thank you so much. In order to overcome these, you know, the authorities should put in eco-friendly पॉलिसीज होनी चाहिए एंड इनिशिएटिव्स. अब कौन कौन से होने चाहिए? एज क्लीन एनर्जी एडेप्शन, है ना, अडॉप्ट करना चाहिए उनको क्लीन एनर्जी. आपको क्लीन एनर्जी पता ही है, विंड एनर्जी, ये सब जो होता है, सोलर एनर्जी. वेस्ट रिसाइकलिंग प्रोग्राम्स, अर्बन ग्रीनरी प्रोजेक्ट्स, मतलब उनको पार्क्स वगैरह करने चाहिए, एंड सस्टेनेबल अर्बन प्लानिंग प्रैक्टिसेस. Effort should be made to educate and involve communities in this environment conservation efforts, है ना, पूरी कम्युनिटी को. अब मैंने पांचवा जो सोल्यूशन प्रॉब्लम लिखा है वो आप देख लीजिए, यू कैन चेक. अनडाउटली, see how I start my paragraph. Living in densely populated areas, young people in cities may experience social isolation, है ना, वो उनको अलग अलग social isolation हो जाता है, and loneliness due to hectic lifestyle, है ना, सुबह काम पे जाओ, शाम को आ जाओ, no problem, I mean there is no interaction. Digital distractions हो जाते हैं, you know what are digital, that is smartphone and all that, and limited community engagement. You are not involved in any community activities, बस काम करते जा रहे हो, है ना. Initiatives should be taken to foster community cohesion, है ना, मैंने community cohesion लिखा है, through neighborhood events ऐसे होने चाहिए, social gathering एंड रिक्रिएशनल फैसिलिटीज, जहाँ पे वो अपने आप को वो लोग इंटरटेन कर सकें. दीज शुड गो और दीज वुड गो अ लॉन्ग वे. देखो, वुड गो अ लॉन्ग वे बहुत अच्छा है इन स्ट्रेंथनिंग सोशल कनेक्शंस एंड अ सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंग आती है. ओके, बाय अब मैंने इन कंक्लूजन नहीं लिखा है, थोड़ा डिफरेंट कंक्लूजन है. बाय एड्रेसिंग द अबव चैलेंजेस through collaborative efforts involving government agencies, business communities, and young people themselves, cities can create more inclusive, sustainable, and vibrant urban environments conducive to the well-being and the prosperity of the youthful population. And now, what my students have said, that the listening was easy, some said it was, moderate. So I will not tell lies here. I will say that the listening was easy to moderate, but the reading was moderate. For some, the last passage they thought was a bit difficult, but then others said, ma'am, it was moderate, it was okay. So it really depends upon what you have, how much you have prepared. See, you go for predictions and all that. Please ensure that you are well prepared. And of course, I am there to help you. If you like the video and if you find it useful, see that you subscribe and comment what other video you would want. And please share with any one of your friend. Maybe you can change his or her life. One video can change somebody's life. Thank you so much.